Look up, see that glint of red and gold against the skyline? That's not just a man in a suit. That's an idea, a force of nature, suspended between the heavens and the towering spires of tomorrow's world. The city breathes below, a symphony of light and life, completely unaware of the power hovering above it. Then, a shift. A gauntlet raises, and the air crackles with energy. A blinding beam of light lances out, not to save, but to reshape. It strikes a skyscraper, and glass and steel explode outwards in a beautiful, terrifying blossom of destruction. Another beam, and another building groans, twists, and crumbles to the ground. With a sonic boom, he descends, landing with the force of a meteor in the heart of the chaos he created. Dust and smoke swirl around his armored form. He stands motionless amidst the ruins, a solitary, defiant figure. The world holds its breath. He raises his head, the light in his eyes flaring to life, and a metallic voice cuts through the silence. "I am Iron Man.